Welcome to the Mindful Path and this 1-minute guided meditation on quick anxiety relief with deep breathing, strengthening the mind-body connection. With daily practice, peace can be felt deep into your subconscious. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let your body and muscles soften, sinking into the relaxation. On this next breath, inhale deeply and hold. Visualize your breath like a calming wave, washing over your entire body, releasing any anxious thoughts. And exhale. Breathe in again deeply, holding the breath, saying to yourself, I am calm. And breathe out, affirming, I let go. Feel peace spread from your head to your toes with every breath. Now slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time to calm your mind and body. 1-minute meditations are great ways to begin using meditation as a tool or when you're short on time. Subscribe to the Mindful Path for more life-changing meditations. And I'll see you again tomorrow.